Hello YouTube family, today I'm going to talk about my experience of using Engoo and Cambly. So I have used Engoo and Cambly for a while and I have found a lot of differences in price, in teachers, teaching methods and user experience. And in this video today I'm going to talk everything about Engoo and Cambly. So let's get started. When we look for a platform online or offline, we generally look for 5 things. First, is it famous? Do they have good teachers? What's the teaching style? And what's the price? And last thing and most important one, do they provide any free demo class? Engoo and Cambly both are famous and provide one-to-one conversation with English tutors. You can actually practice on both the platforms, but where's the difference? Cambly is an Android application and Engoo is a web-based platform. It means it's only available on website. You need to type www.engoo.com and schedule a lesson. So this is where the difference comes. When you go to Engoo's website, you will find a lot of material to practice your English, like daily news, daily conversation, practice your English, speaking test, vocabulary, your pronunciation part, and almost everything. I have already posted a lot of videos of Engoo English Conversation wherein I have used study material of Engoo. If you want to watch those videos, click on I button. You will be able to watch those videos. Now comes the most important part about teachers and teaching style. So after having a lot of classes on Engoo and Cambly, I have noticed that majority of Cambly tutors are from USA, Canada, UK and Australia. But Engoo along with USA, Canada, UK and Australia, they have tutors from almost all over the world. As per Engoo's website, they have got 11,000 native and non-native tutors from all over the world, which I actually like because many a times I would like to practice my English with non-native speaker so that I can understand them easily and I can feel comfortable with them. Now coming to the teaching styles of teachers, every teacher is great and they have got their own teaching style. It's not good to judge any teacher, but as a learner, I seek the correction or the feedback on my mistakes. So while having a class with Engoo, I got my feedback and the corrections on my mistake, and not only this, I really got impressed with the friendly nature, the energy level and patience level of Engoo tutor. Now I will tell you something very honestly. I don't know how to get free demo on Cambly because free minutes are not working for me. If it's not working for you as well, please let me know in the comment section below. But now if I talk about Engoo, you can register with your laptop or desktop. You just go on Engoo's website, register there and schedule a free demo lesson. Once you take the demo class, you can compare the prices of both the platforms depending on the classes you need. But I personally found Engoo to be cheaper than other platforms. So this was all about my experience. So now it's your turn to tell me in comments what is your opinion about Cambly and Engoo. Till the time, keep learning, happy learning. Bye bye.